Hi all engineers out there. Welcome to our 360 Midas Experience program, also known as 360. I'm Derek Kim, Oceania Regional Manager of Midas IT. Also, my fellow technician, Taeyong, is with us.
Hi, Derek.
Hi Taeyong, nice to be here with you. So to talk about 360, I'm going to elaborate the details about the program today so that you guys won't be confused.
Good. I've heard about 360 a lot. So, what is 360?
Well, 360 is a program, experience program event for all engineers all around the world that you may have never experienced. Our goal is to fully support our participants to easily understand and apply Midas Civil to their project right away.
I don't get much difference with the other promotion in Midas. Wasn't 15 days trial enough for newcomers?
As our global technician, can you tell us what may have been the limitations for our trial users?
For the current 15 days trial, in my opinion, the trial period is not enough for an engineer to fully explore any programs. Midas Civil's trial license might have the same limitations. Also, in terms of customer tech supports, immediate tech supports were solely given to current clients only. So, new trial users were only allowed to receive limited material and needed to find related contents by searching online. But I believe this is the main problem for engineers to usually learn Midas Civil so far.
Yeah, that's the point. This has been the issue with many new trial users, and that this is why we are newly launching 360. First, we will provide 45 days trial license, and during that period, we'll be providing different levels of hands-on training, project-based case study with current global company clients, and 24/7 tech support to quench your curiosity. Also, all of you who are watching this clip are very lucky enough to experience the superior customer service by learning Midas Civil step by step in a short period of time.
Oh, that's interesting. Would you explain more details about 360?
Sure. Now let's take a look on how 360 support is composed of. First, 45-day free trial license will be provided to all participants. Then, our Midas technical team will go over the software in detail with case study webinar and training sessions. Taeyong, please introduce our overall curriculum, please.
Okay. Please take a glance at the scheduled sessions on the screen. Case study webinars will be held on every Tuesday in May. These webinars will deal with various types of bridges, so it will be a good chance to catch ideas for your own project. And training sessions will be open on every Wednesday and Thursday for 5 weeks. Each training video will be posted twice a day, so you can select one upon your schedule. The detailed schedule of webinars and training sessions can be found in the email.
Yes, and with our live chat support and Q&A sessions, we'll be dealing every inquiries you might have.
Let me demonstrate how the chat works. So I just type in any questions at the chat room, and one of our technicians will get back as soon as possible. Now let me introduce our exclusive promotions that will be provided to our 360 participants. First, price discounts and free lease licenses. We are about to provide the biggest discount rate ever to the participants of 360 who will be purchasing perpetual licenses. Also, after purchase, we will give out unlimited lease license to your team, that all of your engineers have a chance to fully explore Midas Civil. Next, we will hand out gift cards to whom wish to have an online meeting with Midas technical team. This is a pretty easy to get reward, so I would encourage you to request an online meeting through our sales representatives or support team anytime. Finally, we will hand out AirPod Pro to the ones who are responsible of purchasing Midas Civil. It's a thank you gift for the ones who strongly advocated and built business cases to adapt Midas Civil.
So now, let's take a look at what Midas Civil really is. Isn't Midas Civil just general structure analysis program?
Well, I would agree in some ways, but Midas Civil is a more specialized structure analysis program for bridges and infrastructures. Now, let me explain key features of Midas Civil. First, functional configuration for users' work efficiency. Such functions as modeling, boundary condition input, load input, and etc. are grouped in the upper menu bar so that the users can find it easily. We can create a model and finish structural analysis by simply using the functions in menu bar order or by the working order. One can quickly finish the work since all the data can be extracted or edited to text format. Second, it provides various analysis modes. You can experience from general static analysis to moving load analysis, dynamic analysis, construction stage analysis, and nonlinear analysis for bridges in just one program by using the minimum model file. Last but not least, one can simply obtain every analysis ledgers that is required for design. Analysis data is provided graphically and numerically, so you can intuitively grasp the analysis ledgers and accurately predict the behavior of structures. Not only that, section design reports provide detailed ledgers according to national design standards.
Thanks for explaining, Taeyong. I can really tell that Midas Civil has many features and strengths. Do you want to highlight any key features for this week?
I would like to introduce GUI environment that is the most fundamental in modeling, pre-stress function for load, and construction stage analysis function for analysis mode. Midas Civil's graphical user interface has very comfortable and intuitive environment for clients to work on. This is an essential feature because many cases occur where one would have to edit numerous times during structural analysis. Midas Civil's work environment significantly reduces one's working hours. You can find its basic explanation at our GUI Techniques for Beginners webinar. Also, you can refer to PSC Box Golden Bridge Longitudinal Analysis Part 1 webinar for GUI features and application while designing PSC Box Golden Bridge. Our second feature, pre-stress, is widely used for bridge structures. Midas Civil supports features of tandem profile, material property, pre-stressing procedure, and method to accurately template the planned pre-stress in the program. You can explore the utilization of these features at PSC Box Bridge Modeling Part 1 Free Cantilever Method webinar. And Midas Civil also provides construction stage analysis function for various construction methods suitable for various bridge types. If the construction stage of the bridge to be designed is complicated, the user configures the construction stage using related functions. Time-dependent materials are also provided in various standards to consider in accordance with design standards. For accurate construction stage design, all analysis ledgers are classified by stages and load type. We will cover the details of construction analysis and construction stage A to Z webinar. The features and utilization of construction stage analysis will be covered by an example of composite eye-gutter bridge.
Wow, you're saying that all of these webinars are prepared for this week?
Correct. As I've mentioned earlier, these sessions will be on air twice this Wednesday, Thursday morning and afternoon. We encourage you to join our sessions and get useful tips for using Midas Civil. Hi Derek, so could you guide how to activate Midas Civil for those who would wish to start right away after watching this clip?
Sure. We have sent an email for getting started with our Midas Civil to all participants. However, let me just go over the procedure step by step.
Let me quickly go over the license activation guidebook. First, hit the resource button on the top of the website, then go to product update. Click the global button and move to Civil download page. And then fill out the mandatory information and hit download. Extract the download file and run setup. Click next for both. Enter your name and company name and choose the folder and click next. Select the wanted features and start installation. Now you can check if it's being properly installed and then select license type. Check restart Windows and then finish Sentinel Protection installer. Now to activate your license, open your Midas Civil and click on the gear icon top right. Select your license type, put in your ID and password, then be sure to enter the following protection key. Now press select product. Check if the following PID is selected, then select the features and click OK. Now you are all set to go. Also, check the FAQ page if you're having any difficulties, and please feel free to contact our support team anytime.
By the way, are there any platforms to study individually for those who aren't able to keep up with the webinar or training session schedule?
Of course, we recently reopened our website, midasbridge.com, where you can get any information regarding our software. Especially, you can check out our bridge and events in resources section for past case studies, webinars, and various events. So please check it out. Thanks guys for watching. This intro clip will be shared weekly, so please stay tuned for weekly updates. Also, all the things that we've covered will be shared through email as well. I'll see you next week. Bye.